Today we're going to be checking out the Aluminum Hellcat Supercharger to head adapter plates and idler bracket kit machined for the 2008 to 2023 V8 HEMI Challenger, excluding the 6.2. This kit is going to be a great option for Challenger owners looking to install a Hellcat Supercharger onto a non-Hellcat HEMI engine by ensuring proper alignment and fitment of the critical components. The standout feature of this kit is the ability to bridge the compatibility gap between a factory Hellcat Supercharger and the cylinder heads on non-Hellcat engines. The included adapter plates properly align the supercharger with the intake ports, ensuring precise seal and correct airflow for optimal performance. Each adapter plate is CNC machined from high-grade aluminum for excellent strength, heat resistance, and a precision fit. The material choice not only ensures durability under the high boost and thermal conditions, but also maintains a lightweight profile to avoid any unnecessary front-end weight. In addition to the adapter plates, this kit is also going to include a billet aluminum idler bracket designed to reposition the accessory drive components for proper belt alignment with the supercharger pulley. This is critical for maintaining belt tension and avoiding slippage at high RPMs. The comprehensive design of this kit allows enthusiasts to safely and correctly complete a Hellcat blower swap without the need for any custom fabrication. All the mounting hardware is included and the parts are designed to bolt directly to the factory locations, making the process far more manageable for DIYers or some performance shops. Both the adapter plates and the idler bracket are CNC machined from high-quality billet aluminum. The components are designed to withstand high pressures and temperatures while offering a precise fit that maintains performance and reliability of the supercharger setup. This kit includes all the necessary hardware and it's built to OEM standards for strength and durability. As far as pricing goes, this kit comes in right around that low 1000s price range. For a specialized solution that enables a Hellcat Supercharger swap without custom machine work, it offers a strong value, especially considering the quality of materials, the precision engineering, and the completeness of this kit. Installation is fairly complex, so we're rating this a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can expect the job to take you about 5 hours to get it done. It's recommended that you either be a really experienced DIYer or get a professional installer that's familiar with engine component alignment and supercharger conversions. The process involves removing the intake manifold, repositioning adapter plates, mounting the supercharger, and aligning the belt drive using the idler bracket. You can expect several hours to complete this installation, and we're going to rate it right around that 5-hour range. Alright, that wraps up our review and install of the Aluminum Hellcat Supercharger to head adapter plates and idler bracket kit machined for the 2008 to 2023 V8 HEMI Challenger. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.